Sneezing is an involuntary expiration of air to rid the nasal passages of foreign material. Particles that enter the nostrils and irritate nerve endings in the nasal mucosa trigger impulses that are transmitted via the fifth cranial nerve to the brain's sneezing center in the medulla. This sets off a respiratory response. Rapid inspiration fills the lungs, the epiglottis and vocal cords close, and the muscles of exhalation in the chest and abdomen tighten in a spasmodic contraction. These events create a buildup of pressure in the lungs. When a sufficiently high level of pressure is attained, the vocal cords relax, the epiglottis opens, and an expulsion of air rushes through the nose and mouth. The force of the sneeze propels the irritants out of the nasal cavity.